In this following video, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you can delete a single message on Instagram. In order to do it, so first thing you have to make sure that the application is completely up to date. For that, head over to your Play Store. On the search box, type in Instagram and locate whether you need to update or not. In my case, I happen to update my app, so you have to wait patiently until the application is completely updated. After it's updated, click the open button and then log in into your Instagram account. Once you're logged into your account, that's going to take you to the interface, which is going to look something like this. Now right on this page, go ahead and tap the DM icon from the top right hand side, and let me just go ahead and send a message. Now for the example, I'm going to go with this one, and now I'm going to send the person a message. And when you actually long press on it, and then you need to just go ahead and tap the unsend button, and as you do that, you've successfully unsent or removed the single message on Instagram. However, there's no such direct way of deleting it, but then as for the alternative, you have unsend feature. So that's how you can delete a single message on Instagram. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.